In today's video, I'm going to teach you strengths and weaknesses, ClickUp versus Asana. If you're deciding between these two project tools, this walkthrough will clarify what each does best, where they fall short, and how to match the choice to your team's needs. Let's start with ClickUp. Think of it as a powerful, flexible, all-in-one workspace. You can view and organize work in many ways: list, board, calendar, Gantt or timeline, mind map, table, and even workload. So it adapts to different workflows without forcing you into one method. Beyond tasks, it brings docs, whiteboards, chat and commenting, time tracking, wikis, and automation under one roof. That means tasks, documentation, and collaboration can live together instead of being split across several tools. The pricing is friendly too. The free plan is generous for small teams and freelancers, and the lower cost paid tiers are compelling. ClickUp shines when your work is complex, with many project types, custom statuses and fields, and cross-project automations that need deeper control. Now the trade-offs. Because ClickUp can do so much, the learning curve is steeper. Some teams find the depth overwhelming or feature bloated if they only need simple task tracking. And with so many options, setup can feel heavy at first, and some users report performance hiccups until the workspace is streamlined. Switching to Asana, the emphasis is clarity and ease. The interface is intuitive, onboarding is straightforward, and it tends to just work without a lot of training. It's excellent for standard project and task management, tracking tasks, deadlines, dependencies, and milestones, using polished list, board, timeline, and calendar views that make project oversight simple. Teams that value predictability and want to avoid decision paralysis often prefer Asana's stable, focused structure. But Asana offers less customization out of the box. Advanced workflows, deeper automations, certain views, and custom fields are often tied to paid tiers, and very complex processes can feel constrained compared to a highly customizable tool. Here's the decision lens. Choose ClickUp if you want a highly customizable all-in-one hub for tasks, docs, collaboration, and automation, if your workflows are complex, if budget is tight, or if you want wikis and knowledge stored right alongside project work. Choose Asana if you prefer simplicity and a clean, lightweight experience for straightforward projects, and you value easy onboarding and stability for a small to mid-sized team. Real-world feedback reflects this trade-off. Some users celebrate ClickUp's extra power, while others find Asana's simplicity more dependable. If you're unsure, start with Asana for simple needs and move to ClickUp as your workflows grow and you want more control in one place.